Ayan, good evening mga kayot. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Baywalk ng Puerto Princesa and we're having we're gonna try street foods here. So I'm gonna show. So that like kikiam. Ayan. Voice over na lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Chicken. And the barbecue is, you can dine in, they have tables, and you can buy also, and they're making the barbecue right over there. Ayan, pusok-pusok siya. So yun. So this is the street. Those are restaurants over there. Ayan siya. And taba is there. I can see them anymore. So they're buying something there. So ayun lang. So we'll just try here in the Baywalk. Masaya. Ang daming tao. Ayan. Yun. So let's try different foods here, different street foods. Ayan, yung sa corner naman nito guys, nandito yung ayan, quick fishball, kikiam, ayan siya. So prito, all fried thing here. On the other side, they are barbecue. Ayun, so I'll just try everything. It tastes delicious. Ayun, so I'm gonna go back there with taba, so for them to try on. Ayan. So is trying the street food. Hallelujah. Yeah, and Marco also.
But Marco already finished.
He has the calamari, he has the picoche. Dynamite, we call it dynamite. And he has a shrimp. I'm gonna get my barbecue now. Yes.
Thanks for watching mga kayos. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell. And for more videos, just click on the boxes on the right. See you in my next vlog. Bye!